I'm Nathan Thielman. I'm Associate Director of Master of Science in Global Health program, and I now have the privilege to present the DGHI Outstanding Graduate Student Award. Before I announce this year's winner, I want to take a moment to remember a previous recipient of this award, Madeline Bacuzzi. When Maddie arrived on campus in 2011, her enthusiasm for global health, her positive impact on the community was immediately felt. She was admired and beloved by her fellow students and faculty, and it was a unanimous decision to award her the Outstanding Student Award when she graduated in 2012. Maddie passed away in 2014 after a battle with cancer, and this award is now given in her honor. For this award, we ask faculty to nominate students who they believe have excelled in the classroom, in the field, and in the building of a global health community here at Duke. We've received many glowing nominations. Faculty wrote about students being team builders, collaborators, academic superstars, and having immense potential to make a difference in the field of global health. Maddie embodied these characteristics, and we're very proud to have selected a student this year who absolutely lives up to this legacy. This year's Outstanding Master of Science in Global Health student has combined a passion for global health with his work as a physician specializing in pulmonary medicine. As his primary nominator stated, it takes deep intellectual rigor and curiosity to translate the academic skills of pulmonary and critical care medicine to global health settings. His thesis described the role of fractional exhaled nitric oxide measurements in identifying persons with asthma in Western Kenya, and he approached his research thoughtfully and logically. I'd like to read a few additional comments from his nomination remarks. Much of his work involved a deep dive into a complicated methodologic arena, and his quick grasp of the statistical and clinical aspects of this area were nothing short of amazing. He addressed complicated issues of biology, study design, and methodology to implement this large population-based study. Beyond the superb scientific foundation of this study and its solid design and methodology, he deserves special recognition for his forbearance, patience, and vigilance in coping with the myriad of geopolitical obstacles which arose during this study. At every turn, his maturity and focus guided him in overcoming what often seemed like insurmountable travails. In addition to making him a perfect candidate for this prestigious award, he should also be considered for sainthood. So please join me in congratulating Dr. Devon Paul as this year's Outstanding Master of Science in Global Health student. Devon, please come to the stage. Thank you. And now it's time to recognize the 2017 Duke University Master of Science in Global Health. Well, it's actually not time to recognize our faculty award. So students such as Devon and his classmates are taught and frequently inspired by remarkable faculty who teach 6 core courses in the curriculum and elective courses across the campus. They also serve as research mentors for our students, helping them navigate the often circuitous path of developing and implementing a research project in the field and presenting their finding in an academic thesis. Our faculty represent multiple disciplinary perspectives and bring an incredible amount of field experience and passion for global health. Each year, we ask students to put forward nominations for the Graduate Professor of the Year. This is an award to acknowledge one faculty member who has gone above and beyond to teach, mentor, and support our students. The recipient of the Outstanding Professor in the DGHI graduate program is known across the entire student body here as a professor who truly cares about her students and who works tirelessly on their behalf. She is deeply invested in teaching and mentoring. one of her student nominators described the pivotal role that she played in that student's development as an academic scholar and in promoting qualitative methods in global health research. Another cited her collaboration with other faculty members around Duke as helping to broaden the university's own understanding of global health. Students used terms such as ally and advocate to describe the winner of the Outstanding Professor Award, and without question, she is dedicated to building students' capacity to become global health leaders with a high sense of purpose and integrity. Unfortunately, she could not be here today, although she's been at every graduation ceremony since arriving at Duke in 2013, but her absence is actually further testimony of her dedication as a faculty member, for she is co-presenting a poster entitled Conducting Focus Group Discussions on Autism Spectrum Disorders in South Africa, Challenges and Ethical Issues at an International Congress on Qualitative Inquiry with her former student and other DGHI colleagues. In her absence, though, let's please give a round of applause and appreciation of Professor Carrie Stewart, the 2017 Duke Global Health Institute Outstanding Professor.